Welcome to the future of cybersecurity. This course was designed by Gregory Evans. Now let's get started. Imagine being on the front lines of the digital battlefield, guarding against cyber threats in a $10 trillion a year industry. Our Learning Cybersecurity for Beginners course is your ticket in. We'll guide you through 40 essential steps to become a cybersecurity consultant. You'll master over 150 key terms that every expert should know. And that's just the beginning. Kali Linux. Mastery, learn about Kali Linux, the top choice for cybersecurity experts and hackers worldwide. Discover pre-installed tools for network hacking, Wi-Fi, cell phone forensics, website security and more. Tackle the top 100 programs in Kali Linux. Plus, you'll get an overview of over 100 vital cybersecurity certifications to boost your resume. Throughout the course, you'll take engaging 10-question quizzes to test your knowledge. Score 80% or higher to advance and earn your cybersecurity beginner certificate. So, are you ready to embark on this thrilling journey? Let's make the digital world a safer place together.